Have you ever wondered what would happen if you were to put a phone in a microwave? Well, here I have a phone, and here I have a microwave. So let's give it a go. There is a phone, by the way. I'm not faking this. This is real, and it is in the microwave. I have taken safety to an extreme level, so I don't want anything to go wrong. Let's do this. And there's the aftermath of it. Goodbye.